Hi crafters, how are you all doing? So today we're going to be looking at which is the best millinery hot wire to make your satellite fascinator. These are the three that I have and we'll be going in depth into them. So here are the hot wire or millinery hot wire that I have. Okay, so this is the one that I call the 1.5 millimeter gauge fascinator, and usually in Africa here, or let me say Nigeria specifically, we have it come in this color, in the bronze color, but you have them come in different colors if you order online. Okay, usually they have I can't remember how it's called, but it's a different color, so you don't have to wrap it up. Do you understand? So you can use it and with your cloth direct like that, but here we have to wrap it before we use. Then we have this plastic millinery hot wire. Okay, I think this also comes in different sizes, but we just have one size like this. Then we have the 1.2 millimeter gauge hot wire, and this over here usually comes in this color, the bronze color. So we're going to be checking which one is the best to make your your satellite fascinator. So what I'm going to do is I'll go off camera and cut them into 36 inches, so I don't want to waste your time, but okay, we can do for one so you see how I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to be making use of my hot wire. This is actually called a bolt cutter, and that's what I use because it's very easy to use this to cut your wire. It's very easy. You don't need to stress and have issues with your hand. And I do have them in sale, and I would also be dropping links where you can buy this from, because really as a millionaire you must have this. It will save your hand and save you time as well. So we're going to measure this. Okay, so measure this. As I said, I'm going to be measuring 36 inches. So this is 36. Then I take my cutter. You're going to see how easily it cuts. See? That's it. Okay, so I'm going to get the other one and I'll be back. If you're new to the Vent channel, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any of my lovely unique trainings and designs. Oh, come on. Please do just click pause on this video and take the few seconds and click the subscribe button. Thank you. So it's just remaining this one to cut. That's the plastic hot wire. Okay. Now this is one hot wire you don't need to wrap because it's kind of like your invisible thread. So you use it directly like that when you want to use it. Okay, but remember, we're trying to check which of this is going to be perfect for our satellite fascinator. Okay, so the first thing of course we need to do is we're going to hold them together. Alright, I think I'm going to make use of thread, but if you've been on my channel for long, you would know that there are various things you can use to wrap them up. You can use thread, you can use masking tape, you can use sellotape, but mainly masking tape and thread. And I think, yeah, some people use wool too as well. Okay, so let me get to that and I'll be back. If you're really gaining value from this video, you can go ahead and click that super thanks below this video. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so I've wrapped the plastic and the 1.2 millimeter gauge. And I want to show you how to wrap this perfectly. So you're getting to learn so many things in this video. Now I'm going to be showing you the skill that I use when wrapping it with thread. So what you first of all do is you ensure your thread is four strands of thread. Okay, so this is my 4 strands of thread. This is how to, okay, so I have my 4 strands of thread here. Then I'm going to, let's remove that masking tape. Okay, so then you put it across each other like this. Okay, so I've overlapped it. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my thread like this. Then I start wrapping from the middle. I started from the middle. Can you see it? From the middle. And I go like this fast and go to the edge. Now the edge is where you want to take time to cover it well. And as you're doing it, you're dragging it. Okay? You want to take time so that this place doesn't, you can't feel the, what do you call it, the edge of the hat wire. Okay, so it doesn't tear off, come out, and it's, you know, it doesn't injure your fascinator, okay, or injure the person wearing it. So you need to cover it up well, because if you don't cover the side up, it can come out from there, go out through the lace or whatever you used to make the satellite fascinator and start choking your client. You don't want that. Okay, so same thing, I do the same. You check the edge. Okay, then you start going close to the middle. Okay, like that. So I start going close to the middle, and you can see with thread it would ensure that you don't have a bump as well. And when I come here close, I'm going to tie it once like that. Okay, tight. Come here again. Okay, tight. Okay. Then do another one. Okay, so we can cut it. Now, in case you want to know more about hat wire, I actually have a free hat wire class in my Telegram group. So if you go to the description of this video, you would see the link, so you can click on it and then request for the free hat wire class. It's available for you to tell you a lot more about hat wires. Okay, so we're going to do the test right now. All our hat wires are ready. So for this one, as I said, I'm not wrapping them up. If I was going to do a proper hat wire fascinator, which I will do after this, in fact I will show you a link on what to watch next on how to make a hat wire, but I would also still do a new one and put up very soon. So if you want the new one, in the comment section below, just say new satellite fascinator if you want to see a new one. Okay, all right, so this is what we have, and I'm going to wrap it up, so we're going to see which is the best. Okay, I think I should use something more transparent so you can see what's happening, and so I can also tell you some other things about it. Okay, so I take this and I do like this. Okay, so like this. Can you see that this, so if the person wears it, it will be going anyhow. It's not turgid, so this can disfigure easily. So this already shows you that we cannot really use this except if you have no option, but it's really not preferable to use this. Can you see? It's that can just squeeze anyhow. And as you can see, this is kind of like transparent. So if you're going to use this for any other thing, not this, you can use fishing line to hold this so that you can just leave it like this and work with it. But as you can see, So it means this is not good for a satellite fascinator. Okay, even if we wanted to do the one that it doesn't, you don't have to bend it. You know, you have the one that is straight. You don't have to bend. See, it still keeps on this. It will keep on disfiguring. I hope I'm using the right English. All right, so this no. So let's try this other one. Okay. So I wrap it up, and as you can see, we're seeing the color of this bronze. Not a nice thing. So as I told you, you need to wrap this up. But remember, we're doing a test. So if I come here, okay, it's still okay. But as you can see, like this, if you're unable to unwrap it firmly from how it's rolled, normally it's rolled, you can see this is not a perfect circle. It's bent already here, so that's already an issue. So let's squeeze, let's try and change the shape and see how it comes. Okay, it's actually changing, but if you can see, if anything should just hit it anyhow. Can you see? It starts changing shape. So I would not advise this. No, unless you want to change shape to something like this. This is not advised. Remember, satellite is like this, or like a ship form or something like that. So let's try the last one. Okay, so this, as you can see again, the color of our hat wire is showing. So that is why you would wrap this as well. You can see this gives us a perfect circle form, and if I twist it, it changes shape. And if it's hit, can you see, it goes back to shape. So you cannot change its form by hitting nothing. So this is the best. The 1.5 millimeter gauge hat wire is the best millinery hat wire to use for your satellite fascinator. So I hope you gained from this video, and if you did gain, do give me a thumbs up, click the super text to move further, and also the membership to join the platform and appreciate us. Yeah, so that's it. So before you go, check out this next video on how to make a complete satellite fascinator. Now this is a video that is the most viewed in my channel, so I think it should have a lot of things that you would learn from it. So do check that out.